Jeff Bangerter here with Bangerter Financial Services with the week on Wall Street for October 26th of 2020. The failure to reach an agreement on a new fiscal stimulus bill soured investor sentiment and sent stocks modestly lower for the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.95%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 lost 0.53%. The NASDAQ Composite Index slipped 1.06%. And stock prices ebbed and flowed all week, pulled by the gravity of fiscal stimulus talks in Washington, D.C. As investors saw improving prospects for a new fiscal stimulus bill, stocks rose. As prospects dimmed, stocks lowered. So hopes for striking a deal were raised late last week as comments from a key negotiator suggested that a deal might be getting close to fruition. The week ended, however, without an agreement, cementing a disappointing week of performance. Market sentiment was further weighed down by the continued rise in COVID-19 cases in the U.S. and Europe. Though anxieties were tempered by the belief that the full economic lockdown was unlikely, markets have been focused on weekly initial jobless claims as an important input into the state of economic recovery. After weeks of 800,000 plus new jobless claims, last week's report reflected an improving labor market as new jobless claims rose by 787,000, below the consensus estimates of 875,000, while continuing jobless claims fell by more than 1 million. The report wasn't entirely positive, however, as more than 500,000 individuals were added to the Emergency Assistance Program that extends unemployment benefits to those who have run out of state unemployment benefits. This week's key economic data: Monday, we have new home sales. Tuesday, durable goods orders, consumer confidence. Thursday, we have gross domestic product and jobless claims. And Friday, consumer sentiment. This week, companies reporting earnings. Monday, we have Twilio. Tuesday is Microsoft, Pfizer, Caterpillar, Merck, Eli Lilly, 3M Company, and Corning. Wednesday, we have General Electric, the Boeing Corporation, Ford Motor Company, Visa, MasterCard, Gilead Sciences, Blackstone Group, Amgen, United Parcel Services, eBay, Norfolk Southern. Thursday, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, Alphabet, Southern Company Airlines. This is going to be a really busy week. So keep your eye out. The stock market should be interesting the week before our big election. So this is Jeff Bangerter with Bangerter Financial Services, home of the fiscal bridging formula, signing off for now. Thanks for watching.